This is the MicroROS V2 robot, a ROS2 intelligent robot car that deeply integrates AI large language models with OpenClaw. Equipped with a high-torque metal motor with encoder, TOF LiDAR, ESP32 Wi-Fi camera module, and a 2-DOF PTZ, among other high-performance hardware. The MicroROS V2 uses a virtual machine as main control. No need expensive edge computing boards. Sensor data is wirelessly transmitted via ESP32 to a PC virtual machine for processing. Effectively reduce the learning and development threshold for ROS2 systems. Achieve efficient collaboration between low-layer motion control and AI computing. MicroROS V2 offers a variety of mapping algorithms. Coordinate with the repositioning navigation plan. Effectively reduce positioning drift. Supports single-point and multi-point navigation, as well as dynamic obstacle avoidance. MicroROS V2 innovatively introduces road network planning functionality. Support driving along preset trajectories in the SLAM map, suitable for fixed route operation scenarios such as factory inspections. Yahboom provide an exclusive mapping and navigation app for MicroROS V2. Mapping construction and remote control can be easily accomplished via a mobile phone. Also supports wireless handle remote control. Support multi-point navigation and cruising of multiple robots on the same map. It can achieve multi-machine synchronous control, formation performance, etc. MicroROS V2 not only runs YOLO object detection smoothly, it can also be combined with a 2-DOF PTZ to achieve precise tracking and following of moving objects. Combining MediaPipe machine learning framework, MicroROS V2 can accurately capture gesture movements, face detection, fingertip trajectory, 3D object detection. Unlock creative and versatile motion sensing interactive functions. By deeply integrating large language model, visual multimodal large model, OpenClaw intelligent agent framework, MicroROS V2 can accurately perceive the environment and engage in scenario-based intelligent interaction with users.
Please describe which animals you have seen and organize them into a table to send to me.
Visual analysis capability based on multimodal large models. MicroROS V2 can operate in complex environments, independently identify and track target objects.
Track the object on the right side of the apple.
Even multiple navigation points can be used to collect information. Through the OpenClaw Intelligent Agent Framework, autonomous scheduling of corresponding hardware peripherals for information collection.
Go to the storage area and report the remaining materials to me.
Leveraging its powerful logical reasoning capabilities, MicroROS V2 can autonomously plan and break down tasks.
Move forward 2 meters, reverse 1 meter, road left 45 degrees. Then, navigate to the safety passage and drive along the right line. Finally, go to the fruitful field.
In addition, Yahboom provide comprehensive teaching courses with URDF model files and experimental cases to meet diverse teaching and research needs. Yahboom team will provide you with long-term technical support services.